Hey designers! In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning perspective text shadow in Canva like this. It's super easy, perfect for beginners, step by step, and looks amazing for social media, thumbnails, or posters. Stay until the end because I'll also reveal a secret trick to make your shadow look even more realistic. Alright, let's jump into Canva. First, create a new design. I'll go with wallpaper size for this example. Add your main text, go to the text section and type anything you want. For example, shadow. Now, choose a bold font like Anton or League Spartan for better impact. In this case, I use Anton. Next, make the text into a transparent PNG. Go to Share and select Download and download the transparent PNG image. You can delete the text in the Canvas editor, and then you can upload the image. Okay, next we will convert this image into perspective. But before that, let's duplicate the image first. Then, select the Flip menu and select Flip Vertical. Now go to the Application tab and search for the application with the keyword Reshape. Click on the image you want to change the shape of. In the options, select Skew. And now, we will change the shape by pulling the corners to form a perspective like this. We have made the shadow into perspective. Next, we will make this shadow into a transparent gradient. Go to the Application tab, then search for the application by typing Image Blender. Select Linear, then make the line like this. You can cut the image to its size, and also don't forget to enlarge the size like this, or you can adjust it to what you want. If you have adjusted it, next we will blur this shadow to make it look realistic. Go to the Edit menu. Then in the Edit menu, select Blur Image. In the Blur Image section, select Whole Image. If you feel the shadow is not soft enough, you can add more blur effect. Now the question is, how do you change the font color? Because it is already an image, the font color cannot be changed. For this problem, you can select the image, then click Edit. In the Edit menu, select the Duo Tune feature. Select Custom, then two color palettes will appear here, Highlight and Shadow. You can change it to the color you want to apply to the text. You can add any background you want. Here, I want to add a room background like this. And I set the background image like this. And just like that, you have a cool perspective shadow effect in Canva. No fancy tools needed. You can create it again for even cooler results. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Designer Pramula for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you won't miss our next video on Canva text effects, gradients, and more.